Instead of juggling tools, I run everything from this one sheet. It tells me what to work on and what to leave alone. I usually come over here and I start with either the filming or the posted statuses. These are my most recent or my next to post content. There's no guesswork. It's all right here, and I just follow the steps. Once it's been posted, I then come back here and update the real performance, like saves. If it's been saved, it's useful and probably worth republishing or upgrading. And then I do the same thing with content and reposted. These are intent-based signals, not just views, but actual engagement. And when you zoom out and look at the whole sheet, the planning, the performance tracking, reusing it, the filtering, it's all here in one system in one sheet. It's not a content hack or anything like that. It's just a calm decision tool. Thanks for watching.